This episode will talk about the recent rise in Bitcoin prices and how they changed so quickly overnight. You can see that we're up about 6%. The talk with Brad Garlinghouse at SBI now has everything to do with the XRP ledger. At the beginning of next year, we will talk about a wave in our relationship with China. We are going to look at the markets where we are going from here because things don't look clear right now. Okay, guys, I'll take care of it right now. Enjoy your time by sitting down. Let's do it now. Bitcoin has gone up 5.18% in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum is up 3.39% to 3.1. The value of all cryptocurrency has dropped by 50 cents, or 2.71, in the last 24 hours. This is because both DTAA and USDC have returned to their dollar pegs. The profit is still $2 trillion. A lot of money. The way the world is right now is a cause for worry. Jerusalem is known to you. I don't know why, but there have been a lot of claims that Israel is bombing Iran. Some people are even saying that this is World War III. It's possible that the World War will end for good. Is this going to change the prices of all the cryptocurrencies in the world's economies? It's not here yet. There are a lot of people who choose sides and battle over it. That's the reason this is so tough. Get ready for blood today. Everyone called when they heard about the blast last night. But, as you can see, the markets did the opposite, which is why we need to pay attention. You only have a short time left to get more NFTs. The most important project on the XRP platform has had a great month. Some of these Wild West Pride tiers are almost sold out right now. Not many people are left. You got 5. For that reason, you will get 2 free NFTs. That's simple. If you get 5 points on the special list, you will get extra XRP on May 1st. Check this out. You see, right? Why do people dislike us when we're in charge of the XRP Ledger project? Doing good things naturally leads to this, which is exactly what we see here. We are doing everything the right way. We regularly make things grow and set the standard. I'm sure that Ripple will catch up to Bitcoin in the long run. After 12 hours and 6 minutes, Bitcoin, the party has started. It's getting close. They're going to be everywhere. When live feeds for a Bitcoin event start, you know what will happen. A safe place to store Bitcoin will exist, and it will exist. It won't lead to any effects. It shouldn't lead to any good results. The bad effects can already be seen. The question now is whether the markets will respond negatively. Will the markets go up and break through $74,000, which would mark the start of the golden bull run? Or will there be a decline and a retest? The price is now back in the low to mid $15,000 range. Bitcoin has gone back up above $62,000 on the cryptocurrency market. Calories, you're talking about the latest news that Israel's attack did not do much damage, right? The first strike against Israel, also known as Iran's first strike in Israel, made Bitcoin assets less risky and gold prices go up. The next big step for Bitcoin is $55,000. The market is still a mess. Analyst, I said that recent events around the world will have an effect on the market. Am I right? At this point, not much can be seen. Yes, the prices are. It will be interesting to see how the rest of the day goes. I still have money on the side if you didn't watch my movie. That came out late last night. Pay attention, I'm still keeping my money in the bank. I'm waiting, and I really believe that there will be one last drop below $60,000. That will be our last chance to buy. I'm putting my money on that. I'm going to be the first to say I'm wrong. This refers to the following 2 to 3 weeks. I won't be buying at these prices because I already have too much. The value of cryptocurrencies went up. I have a lot of cash on hand that I'm eager to invest again. If we get back on track, I'll join again. Not more than $60,000. I have my bags ready, so I won't mind if we don't go. That's how I'm going to play this, folks. Extremely hopeful Fox Business Moolin's Brad Garlinghouse brought up an important part of the Ripple stablecoin. You are completely correct. The XRP record will be very helpful for XRP. It will be over. Although some people are skeptical, I think they forget that XRP is needed for the Ripple stablecoin to work. That's not true. It applied to all XRP. The owners of Bank XRP named the following as the best things about the stable cryptocurrency Ripple. Ripple puts an emphasis on enterprise-grade compliance and mental liquidity. The decentralized exchange is open and honest. The stablecoin will work with multiple chains and have a stablecoin balance. XRP looks at an $86 billion trade. $4 billion worth of traffic has been made in the last day. Okay, what else do we have? Do all the stables we can visit really look like stables? When will we be able to see wells? Most likely not, but you can see that I could get 5 billion uses of the space. I'm not going to be upset about the back end of XRP because it will be a big step forward. In addition, this stablecoin is important. The fact that it will be multi-chain and run on the XRP system, which uses XRP every time it is used, will also help everyone. This is important. This is a very important Ripple MMA show. Wang stresses that SBI, Ripple's partner, is what I've been waiting for in the end. Their plan to use the XRP system goes back to 2017, but it will not happen until an event in Japan in 2025. They will be giving to all of the guests at this event. I hope they will let you know about an XRP, a payment, or something else over there in the expo so that more people use it. Even though that's nice, you should know that I won't mind if you use the NFT room. Bring some. Please bring more. If you properly follow the NFTs on the XRP ledger, the Global 2025 in Osaka, which takes place from April to October, will start in about a year. There's going to be blood. I did ask, where's the blood based on what I can see on the 24-hour news right now? Everyone seems to be ready for a bloody day because of these possible worst-case situations. I see green, though. Things like war are happening all the time. A lot of money is moving towards gold, but the big question is whether or not a lot of money will also move towards Bitcoin. A lot of people have been waiting for this, so let's give these currencies to these countries. Bitcoin hasn't even seemed to have a problem yet. It makes sense to put out this movie talking about Bitcoin. This is just the start. Hey everyone, before I go out for the night, I wanted to show you this short and funny movie. There are a lot of questions about where Bitcoin Pennsylvania is now, so let's go over what's happened recently. First, a downtrend struck these local lows. It did not strike the lower period range lows though, which I've been saying I expect to hold until we make another move higher. Everyone was shocked by this news. Things took place, and I told you to find out about them as they happened. You shouldn't ignore this information because you might not be at your best if you make hasty choices or try to do too well because of something that happened recently in the news without looking over all the available data carefully first. Choices, don't be afraid to sell for as little as possible. This time, the data I'm talking about is, of course, the data that we've been looking at for a long time. It shows that even though the spot has been trading at a premium, funding has quickly turned negative and open interest has completely exploded. So there's not a lot of reason for us to go down. This kind of information has been on my mind for a while now. But when things like this happen, it's almost like they're telling you to ignore the facts and focus on how you feel instead. This will not help you 9 times out of 10. When I tell them that, though, they ask me things like, okay, well, we've taken these local lows we still have, so you see what's saying he thinks we can move to the upside. And what says that the turning point will be when we get from $70 to around $72,000. Well, Bitcoin will take those levels and continue to rise substantially higher, because even if it wants to repeat, it won't want to do that one. What does he need to find? He is looking for the place we need to find, which is shown by the green box. In the range of 50 to 54, the last points below the present Bitcoin price would be 57 to 54. Before things get too silly, I'm telling you this now, it's going down. I think XRP will move. My name is June, and I've been calling her the primary June for a while now. I'm not going to change it. Just what is Bitcoin? I will not stray from the question of the schedule. I will not stray from this timing question. Will it go over $72,000 or will it give us one more chance?